Attainment model technology, the effectiveness concept attainment model mixed with other model in computational work. Abstract is a concept attainment is an instructional strategy that is query process. Moreover, students are often unable to apply their advanced studies in concept attainment. Students figure out the attributes of a growth or category by the teacher. The purpose of this is to define the effect of applying model mixed with other model on critical skill and the use of technology. The literature review method was used the relevant literature in this field. The recent literature review revealed that the model mixed with other model have enhancing students' understanding skills and found there will be significant in achievements scores of the out. The strategy is based investigated how different variables affect, affected the concept learning process and the use of have proven effective in students' understandings and practical skills. Our challenges were also identified resources and facilities. The need for breakthroughs and adaptations to in the concept attainment model. Further research needed to address this challenge attainment model that are relevant to industry needs. The taking into account the findings of this literature review, it is proved that the concept attainment model mixed with critical thinking skills and the use of can be improved so that students can knowledge and skills needed to be successful towards computation work. Introduction times good education becomes development of nation. Education according to the developments of order to produce professional human. One way to improve the understanding learning we develop concept attainment with other learning models that and interests of students. The limited number of academics and practitioners who are in the knowledge and use of concept learning model technology mixed with other learning model has resulted in slow adoption in the world of education. There are three main obstacles to the adoption of the concept model mixed with other learning, namely, first, lack of understanding of the concept learning model mixed with other learning. Second, lack of a skill development of the learning model mixed with and third, lack of education and training entertainment learning models mixed. These obstacles indicate the importance of improving the concept attainment learning model is mixed with other learning models through formal and non-formal. In fact, universities are expected to report concept attainment learning models mixed models needed for computational work. Concept attainment learning model education mixed in high higher education aims to produce with, with the achievement of theoretical concept and practical achievements that of expert in the field of learning models mixed with other learning models in computational work. Through education, the concept attainment learning model mixed with other learning models, improving the quality of human resource and adapting the concept attainment model mixed with other learning model in computational work can be done to face the high global. The importance of providing concept attainment learning models education meets with other indicates the challenge and need the role of academics. It is necessary to study the perception of academic benefits and constraints of applying learning model mixed other with other learning models first as a first step in preparing a concept attainment learning model mixed with other good learning model. Because academics have a deep understanding of and challenge involved when they want to adopt a concept attainment learning model mixed with other learning models. Based on the latest research review focusing on the following research question. What are the views expressed academics regarding the benefits and constraints of implementing the concept attainment learning model means the learning model first as a first step in preparing a concept attainment learning model means through the perception of academics from various professions differs through and valuable insights about how the concept attainment learning model other learning model first as a first step in preparing concept attainment learning model mixed with other learning models affecting the concept of how to work and the concept of computational work practice, as well as an overview of potential steps that can be taken adoption of concept attainment learning models mixed with other learning models, both in practical computational works and concept academic through the implementation of concept attainment learning model education mixed with other learning models in university. Methodology. This research uses a qualitative approach with a literature study or literature review. The analysis is conducted critically and discussed systematically to identify the effective challenge, adoption, and opportunities of concept attainment learning models mixed with other future learning models in computational work. A a full text evaluation is carried out to categorize the collected article. For some topics, this article use classification. The main focus is in reading the specific objectives. It's in the literature source used are articles from various models. Result and discussion. The following 30 literature sources are used to analyze the concept attainment learning model mixed with other models regarding challenge and opportunities. It can be the result of the literature review of the learning models mixed with the models in computational work are therefore another article is related to the development of learning models for and concepts mixed with other learning models in computational work. Conclusion, Conclusions. Through a literature review, it was found that the development of learning modules, the attainment of